It's one thing to see photographs, and photographs are very powerful, but when you put motion to it, and when you see people swarming the soldiers, when you see what was written on the train cars, it just puts it all in a different light.
A Central Ohio filmmaker is part of a team working to keep stories from the Holocaust alive. They recently obtained video they didn't know existed of the exact moments they focus in on the upcoming documentary.
And now this is a project we first told you about in the spring. NBC4's Eric Halpern is here with a momentous update in this project. Eric.
Carrie and Jen, to this point, they had mostly been working with photos. Now with this footage, you can follow the faces and feelings beyond still pictures. It's from April 1945 as people on a train bound for a concentration camp were liberated. The director, who lives in Gahanna, says he could not believe this footage existed.
I've looked at the photographs for so long, but when you actually watch it, I just sat there in stunned silence.
Every time documentary maker Mike Edwards watches this footage, he notices something new. Before its recent discovery, it had not been widely seen. It shows what some of the 2,500 Jews on a Nazi train were going through after they were freed by U.S. soldiers in Germany.
It's hard to watch, but it's also very meaningful that it's been found.
New York author and history teacher Matthew Roselle wrote a book about that liberation, A Train Near Magdeburg. Through his work, he came across this iconic photo of a woman and a little girl walking away from the train toward U.S. soldiers. For the past 8 years, he and Edwards have been working on a documentary, and now they have the video.
I think it will give people a new perspective. I think it will show them what the conditions were actually like. And it's just very moving. I mean, the photographs themselves are moving, but when you see people moving in real life, it just takes it to a whole nother level.
Edwards calls finding the video a team effort. A museum director in Germany saw a short clip, emailed Roselle, who then told Edwards, who got the footage from the National Archives.
People that had been starving, people that had been on that train for literally 8 days with nothing to eat, no bathroom facilities, no nothing. And these people finally have their freedom.
According to Edwards and Roselle, tens of thousands of people are alive today because of the families freed at that train near Magdeburg.
Very few times, if at all, in the Holocaust, if you look at trains, right, the end result is death, right? This train leads to life. And to have footage of that, I don't know where else it exists.
And since the team shared this video online, they've heard from 6 Holocaust survivors who saw themselves in the video. Edwards expects they will hear from more. Carrie and Jen.
Incredible there. And I like how he says this train leads to life, and they have the footage of that.